welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentina, and today we're gonna do, it says DIY stress toys. Okay. Then the things in here are 4 balloons, water bowls, I think, and glitter, and the instructions. The instructions say grab a balloon. I have a balloon. And then the funnel. This is called a funnel. And just place it. Then you gotta place it in. So we gotta put half of the bag of the beads. So I think I'm gonna put it in half. Ooh, some fell. Then we put 1/4 of the glitter. And then we fill it with water. That's enough. It says add a drop of antibacterial soap. Next, you tie it to the base of the balloon right here. And you can ask a grown-up to tie it for you. You gotta cut it. That's how I'm gonna cut it. Fun. Just look at them, and I really love them. This is the best thing I ever had. So when I'm stressed, I can use them and calm down. Well, this is the end of my video. I hope you like, and if you like, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!